Hey loom knitters, and welcome back to the Lopsided Crafter Loom Knitting channel. I hope you're ready because September is about to get cozy. We're kicking off Socktember. Socktember is our month-long knit along where we'll be looming socks together all September long. The challenge? To finish 2 pairs of socks before the month is over. Think of it as a little cozy sock party. No pressure, just yarn, looms, and a whole lot of encouragement. Now here's why this is so exciting. There are a lot of knit-alongs in the needle knitting world all about socks, but there are none dedicated exclusively to us loom knitters. In fact, I only know of one needle knitting KAL that even considers loom knitting a true form of knitting, and I think it's time to change that. Socktember is here to give loom knitters their very own space to celebrate sock making together. And this is just the beginning. I'm really hoping to make Socktember an annual event and maybe even host a few other socky knit-alongs throughout the year too. This could become something to look forward to again and again. Whips are allowed, so don't worry if you have a sock already on your loom. You're more than welcome to work on that as long as you have about 3/4 left to finish. The more socks, the merrier. If you're brand new to loom knit socks, I've got you covered. There are already 2 full sock tutorials right here on this channel to help you get started step by step. So whether this is your first sock or your 10th, you'll have plenty of support. I'll also be checking in once a week right here on the channel to show my own Socktember progress because I'll be looming right along with you. We'll cheer each other on and maybe even commiserate over a frogged row or 2. It's all about part of the fun. And here's something new. If you've got questions about sock techniques like heels, toes, sizing, or anything else sock related, drop them in the comments under this video. I'll gather them up and put them together in a special Q&A video for Socktember, just for you. Now, there aren't any official prizes just yet, but let's say something might be in the works, so stay tuned for that. And of course, I want to see your beautiful socks. So, you can post your pictures on Instagram and tag me at the Lopsided Crafter, or share them with us in our Facebook group, the Knotty Loom Knitters Club. If you're not already a member, just make sure to answer the group questions when you request to join so that I can approve you. So grab your yarn, grab your loom, maybe a blanket and a warm drink, and let's make September all about socks. Stay knotty, stay cozy, and may all your socks find their match. Happy looming, my friends, and welcome to Socktember.